everyone, thank you for subscribing and following me. Today I will show you how to do this flower. Today I use 8-ply yarn and crochet 2.25. So let's start with magic ring. If you don't like magic ring, you can use like chain 6 and slip stitch to make it go round. Chain 3. We count that one as one double crochet. So 15 double crochet in the ring. So 15 double crochet in the ring. So we have 15 double crochet and one chain 3 here. All together is 16. And pull together, slip stitch a chain 3. Now chain 3. This one we count at one double crochet. So the next is chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we do one double crochet at chain 3 here. And one double crochet at the same stitch. So this one, it look like that. For the next one double crochet, we skip one stitch. So the next one, double crochet, and now chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One double crochet at the, you can see the 2 here. Do double crochet. So it look like that. Now one double crochet in same stitch. Next one is same pattern, skip one stitch and one double crochet in the next one. Chain 6. One double crochet in here, the 2 here. The next one is one double crochet in same stitch. It repeat pattern now. We do until we finish this row. continue the same pattern until you reach the last one. You should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals together for the last one. It look like that. For the last one, slip stitch at chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we start, you can see it dot 2 here. We start do here, go down, start from here, go down here, go up here, and go down up here. So we're gonna do that one in the middle. So we pick the one up like that, take the one in the back, pick the one. So 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 5 double crochet in here in the space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start in the middle, that one. We still have the back here, that one. And now 4 double crochet down this one. Pick it up. 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we do 4 double crochet up here. So pick the one up. One, make sure you not pick the back one here. 2, 3, 4. It can't see properly, but when you make more petals, you will see it come to. Now we have in the back here, do 6 double crochet in the space. Double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch at the, you can see the dot 2 here, slip stitch, and 6 double crochet for the rest in the space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one we do 1 single crochet. Now you can see it come up like that. For the next one, it go back to the same pattern now. We start from that one, the middle one, go here, go here, down there, up there, and go the back. So for the next one, we do single crochet for the first one, like that, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 5 double crochet in the middle, in the space here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we do down there 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the next one is the one, go up here, go up there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we do on the back. So 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now chain 3, slip stitch, and this chain dot 2 here, and 6 double crochet, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The last one is single crochet in the middle space here. Now we got another one. Keep continue pattern until you reach the last one. Keep continue until you reach the last one. 3, 4. Last one, just only slip stitch for the first start, just that to finish the job. Now you see here in the first start, you can see the chain between here. Just put the slip stitch in and chain one. Now you finish for the flower. The rest is only for you to adjust that to make it look more beautiful. In the middle here, we can adjust like that. So it depends on you. Another one. Right. Thank you for subscribe and following me. See you next video.